Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC40 Recharge Core EXT RNG, 5-door AU in sleek black. This electric vehicle is not only environmentally friendly, but also packed with comfort and safety features. Enjoy amenities such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and more. The advanced safety systems, including lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, will give you peace of mind on the road. This Volvo XC40 has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line estate Jeep with luxury trim and innovative technology. For more information on this stunning vehicle, call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Upgrade to the future of driving with the 2023 Volvo XC40 Recharge Core EXT RNG 5-door AU today.